Need to use two accounts for the same messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Samsung's built-in dual messenger feature makes it incredibly simple. Whether you have separate personal and work accounts or want to manage two different profiles, this feature lets you install a second copy of supported messaging apps without downloading any third-party software. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it. Next, select Dual Messenger. Here you'll see a list of all the compatible apps currently installed on your phone. Choose the app you'd like to duplicate by turning on the switch next to its name. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to install a second version of the app. Simply tap Install to continue. After a few seconds, the duplicate app will be created automatically. During the setup process, Samsung will ask if you want the duplicated app to use a separate contacts list. This optional feature is useful if you want to keep your work contacts completely separate from your personal contacts. Select your preferred option and tap Next to finish the setup. Once everything is complete, you'll notice a second version of the selected app in your app drawer. The duplicated app is marked with a small dual messenger icon, making it easy to tell apart from the original. Open the new app, sign in with your second account, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. You can now use two accounts on the same Samsung Galaxy device without constantly logging in and out. It's a simple yet powerful feature that helps you stay organized, improve productivity, and keep your personal and professional conversations completely separate.